Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now in today's video it's going to be a little bit different. As a tourism major I tell people all the time, there are different kinds of tourism. You know, tourism doesn't require for you to go to a hotel or go ATVing or go to some fancy park or whatever. You can also do ecotourism like I do sometimes. You know, going camping, chilling by the waterfalls, simple things like that. That gives you peace of mind and tranquility. However, today I'm going to be going to a nice little restaurant that I've seen for quite a while, maybe from about October. Funny story, I did Instagram them. They just seen the message. No hard feelings there. I do understand sometimes people just don't really respond to social media people. But that's why I always want to send a big shout out to patrons or people who hit me up on CASHAPP or PayPal. You guys help to make this channel happen. You guys help me to get to some of these places sometimes, because you know sometimes we do reach out to people who you might believe have really interesting spots. So it could be, you know, a little barter system. Sometimes it doesn't work. So shout out to all of you guys who always contribute. Shout out to the people who drop likes on the videos. You guys are just as important. Now I want to be linking up one of my friends, Shorty Mickey, aka Shanti, or Shanti aka Shorty Mickey. She's a great spirit. I've known her for quite some time, so we're gonna be going there today to first of all, you know, just link up and at the same time do a review on this spot to see if it's a place that whenever you get to Jamaica, if it might be suiting to your fancy. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we're finally here. This is an idea of what it looks like on the inside. Alright, this is, I think it's 74 Lady Musgrave Road. I'll put everything in the description box. Oh God, shut your heart. I like that lift here though. Yeah, I'm good, I'm doing good. Alright. Shanti, then you decide that. Either you decide that boss. What's up though? You good? How long when I see you now? Last year October? You remember when all of us went there? Oh yeah, we'll go up to, what is the name again? Gobag, what is the name again? Chilling, yeah, in fact, that was the last time I actually went out. So, yeah, so we're here to get some breakfast when we come late. Well, not really late, because they don't know me tell us, yo, I'll be running and stuff, so you ever heard of this place before?
Well, I've passed by, when I drive in past I've seen it, but I've never really heard anything else about it.
So I'm sure you go up on Instagram page. Did you think of anything that you wanted to get?
Well, I was just
Browsing? I think I'm gonna get like the Açai bowl. So rich. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try the Açai bowl and see what that's like and stuff. What do you think about the place though? Be honest, yo.
okay, it's average.
It's average? Yeah, definitely.
And then I don't like that it doesn't have a lot of
Natural lighting, yeah, I feel that. So you guys might notice I had to like move to this side because as she rightfully said, there's not really a lot of natural lighting. And that's why I kind of like doing food review vlogs like these, just to give you guys a better interpretation, because a lot of times places have really great photographers, they take the photos really well, and then when you come here it's kind of like, oh, it's a little bit different. So far it has a very chill vibe. I think the winner, or what's going to make it over the top for me, is if the food is good. Because it don't matter what the place looks like, it's really about the food. So as I said, I'm going to try the Açai bowl. There is a menu somewhere over there. Of course, with COVID-19 right now, yeah, they're not giving us a physical menu. So we're going to check that out really quick and then see how good the food is. You ready? You look hungry. Got you shot, Mickey. Yeah, so I think it's kind of like an oatmeal. So they're basically partnered up with a company called Dream Bowls. So Dream Bowls is a company that they partner up with, and they do that part of everything. Here's the menu here for those persons who want to check out the menu and what it's like. Or you can just jump onto their Instagram page, they have everything there. to give you a good idea of what the bowls look like. If you're like me or you're not so informed on what an acai bowl is. Oh, another cool thing, there's a cafe company called DefCan. I believe persons who have hearing issues and stuff definitely work here. Is that how it is? Yeah. DefCan? Yeah. Likely.
DefCan.
Cool. Is it that persons who can't hear well actually work and do the copies, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something that.
Ooh, the guy in the blue shirt?
Yeah.
Really? Cool. All right.
So we communicate by sign language.
Okay. Interesting. All right. So what do you think you're getting? Oh, I have a question.
Yeah.
For the acai bowl, which one is a popular one?
The Açai original base is pretty. It's the staple.
What is it called?
Açai. Just the regular base.
The regular base one?
Yeah,
What's?
you actually get to choose your own toppings.
Oh, I get to choose my toppings. All right.
5 toppings.
5 toppings. Ooh. So all right, for me, I definitely want peanut butter, banana, granola, and chia.
Alright, chia's complimentary, so you get one more, but first you gotta come to the side.
I want this one, the sexiest one that you guys have.
Ah, easy. One more time.
So granola,
Yeah.
chia,
Yeah.
peanut butter,
Yeah.
raspberry.
You get 2 more. So chia is actually complimentary, so you get one more.
Can I get blackberry?
Blackberry.
Yeah.
And then you still have one more.
Banana.
Banana is sexy, don't worry.
All right, this is definitely gonna be sexy. All right, what you getting?
I think the wrap.
You getting a burger?
No, the wrap.
Wrap?
Yeah.
All right, tell me what you getting.
The drink?
Yeah. For me, I definitely want to support the DefCon thing. So what kind of coffee can I get for that?
You have all the classic stuff, the black coffee, latte, mocha, the fancy cappuccinos, Oreo, mocha peanut butter. It depends if you want something.
A matcha. I definitely want matcha. I love matcha.
The matcha is currently
Not available?
not available.
What is golden milk? Is this cow? Is it a rich cow?
It's a very rich cow.
All right, can I get this one?
Okay.
Yeah, golden
So
milk
it's a turmeric.
with caramel. All right, I want that one. Thank you. All right, I know you guys kind of want to know what the bill is like. Uptown.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
4,600. That's our bill. That's about maybe $40.
Saving or spending?
Savings, please. Spending. Yeah, you got that right, bro. Facts. All right. I kind of want to know. So that acai bowl is like a really healthy thing, right?
Yeah, it's a superfood.
Super, exactly. So you pay for what you get. Got you. All right, so that's basically our bill. Just give you guys a quick look on what we got. So the acai bowl is like $1,600. I've never had it before, but if you are one of those persons who is a health freak, you definitely want healthy food, and that's going to be a vibe. You got the Kuya chicken, curry chicken wrap. I don't know how healthy that is, but I'm guessing that's going to be a good one. And my golden milk frappuccino is $1,300. Whoa, this gotta be like a really healthy one, and she got like a lemonade. So that's the bill. US equivalent, give it a rough estimate. It's about $35-40. Yeah. All right, so Shanti, we've been here, well, not here, but we've been friends for how long?
You've been about 6 years.
6 years in Rocky. About 2 was 14?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 2014, so yeah, 6 years. Yo. Remember when we used to clean? I clean. So I always drop stories about me working in Alabama, cleaning toilets, cleaning the dirty hotel there.
Come from Somalia.
So
Went flying to take care of it.
let me tell you, like, it used to be a whole vibe, being on the bus, and I think stuff like those definitely cultured me, in what hard work was like. So we worked hard. We used to wake up like 6 a.m. in the morning.
Well, that would be Friday to Monday to Friday. And on Saturdays we work pretty early.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know, 4 o'clock.
About 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah. So like she was always like my plug, to be quite honest, because even when she was working at Chili's,
Ruby Tuesday.
she was working at Ruby Tuesdays, like whenever she tried the different foods there and she thought I would like it, she'd bring by like half her sandwich, right? So isn't it, when you have friends like that, you definitely want to always hang out with them whenever you can. The root beer drink, yeah, exactly. So one of my good friends, she's always, at least once a month, I guarantee the Shanta go say, yo, well, I'll go, like all the time. And it's not often that you find friends like that will just check up on you, because I'm a bad friend when it comes down to like linking and communicating and like that. So for me, that's why today I was just like, the communicating part is my persona. So like if you call me, I will talk to you, but like so today I was just like, yo, let's do a link up, just catch some food and stuff and just, chill. This is a very rich drink. That kind of Christmas around. So you need to get an extra because that can't go eliminate. Alright, so the Açai bowl came. I'm a little bit disappointed because it's not in the traditional coconut bowl, but with COVID, they don't want to be using stuff like that. They have to rewash or anything like that, but you get the idea. So this is the peanut butter and whatever. If you've ever had an Açai bowl before, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Drop it in the comments. Alright, I want to get a little bite into this. Okay. This is interesting. It's cold. It's cold. I can taste the energy. Honestly, you can taste this. There's no joke. Like the nutrients from it, you can taste it. Ooh, I like it.
What does it taste like? What can you compare it to?
So it's like a frozen smoothie. So it's like a frozen berry smoothie, and then you add all these stuff on top of it. So it's kind of like a smoothie that's not fully broken down. So yeah, it's good. I like it. How's your curry wrap? Oh, you need to start.
It's good.
It's good? Wait, so it's crunchy?
A lot of it.
A lot of flavor? Yeah, after I get through this a little bit, we can do a little bit of exchanging or whatever. I think I made a good choice. It's good to try to experience something different, and this is my first time, and it's good. It wouldn't be something I buy every day, to be honest, but yeah, if I'm feeling for something frozen. You said it has the perfect spices?
Kind of sweet too.
Kind of sweet?
Spicy.
What are you talking about that wrap? I want to wrap you, yo. I'm going to try a piece of it. I'm going to know you got this hungry over there. And I said, hurry up and eat it. Let's look at that. Let's see. You know them people are going to talk about COVID. Wow.
Like I never expected to taste it.
I didn't expect it to be this good. Nice sweetness coming from something. The apples there. The chicken is tender. The avocado was popping. That nice mellow thing. This is sorcery. It's really good. It's shot. Sorry for breaking up your thing like that. Wow. Perfect. I think that was really good. I think the one thing I left back to make a quality test, I think around your belly. Then that's when you know it's a perfect curry. But everything about it is just really good. It's nice, it's spicy. I can feel that there's spices in the back of my throat right now. And the apple sweetness for real. That was good. Usually I think wraps are like a quick knockoff. It's just like, oh, just wrap something up and stick it up and say, oh, it's a meal. But that one is made with love. It was really good. I would give that easily a 10 out of 10. I've never tried anything like that before. It was really good. I like it. The acai bowl will get a lower score from me. I'll give the acai bowl, I think 8.5. I don't have reference to know what other acai bowls taste like, but you could taste the energy. Like I came from a workout not too long ago, so I think it's a perfect thing for me to get. But if I come back, that's what I'll be getting. It's a nice stuff.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, good. Go ahead. Oh, your food's sweet. I'm gonna get to offer you some. Let me take out my spoon because I know people. But whatever. Cool, right? Never expected that. What do you think?
It's really different than anything that I've had before.
It's really different? In what way? Is it like a good different?
It is.
It is?
Is it strawberry?
there's blueberries in there, and there's raspberry. Do you taste the energy? No. She said no. So it's apparent that acai bowls are done because they're that great. So I'm honored to have gotten a taste of this beautiful dish. What did you think?
About the acai bar, about everything.
People in my listening can't hear you. Talk with your chest. What did you think?
About everything? Well, my rack was good. It was very good. The acai bowl,
Yeah.
it's refreshing in some
True.
ways. Yeah. And it kind of takes some getting used to. But I like that they added the peanut butter in it too as well.
You mean me? Oh, yo, guys, cool story. I just got featured on YouTube's official page on Instagram, which is really cool. Stuff like that kind of motivates me to keep making more and more content. We're like a little bit more to 100,000. I think I'm at like 80,000 subscribers right now. So I just want to thank everybody who drops a like on the videos, shares them, does donations, send me gifts using my Amazon wish list. Yo, a couple people did send me some gifts using my Amazon wish list. I will drop your names somewhere in this video. I appreciate you guys. It's really cool to see that. But yo, my overall interpretation of here in the beginning, I was kind of like, yo, is it gonna be as good? You know, based on the pictures on Instagram, it looked really nice here. But overall, it's a place you should definitely check out. The music, you might not be hearing in the background. Jamaican reggae music, nice, cool vibes, like the name is, Ragamuffin. The food is exceptional. That wrap just now was really good. The acai bowl, it's a unique dish. It's the first time having it, so I did enjoy that. And the drinks, I never had the lemonade, but I did have this. Maybe a little bit pricey because I've had a matcha other places before. It's about $700. This one's a little bit more golden milk. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for hopping along with me on this video today to actually catch a vibe, and for being a good friend, man. You know, so like, happy to see me, no problem. It's always good to see you.
It's always good.
You're just nervous. It's your first time on video, right? Anyway, guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.